Alright, class. So, this is going back to my UDL 5E lesson plan. And I wanted to just go back and let you know what my favorite part was, parts, and why. So, to start off, content standard was 12.1.1. Students understand the common economic terms and concepts and economic reasoning. Oh, I apologize. That was the standard. Substandard: identify the difference between monetary and non-monetary incentives, and how changes in incentives can cause changes in behavior. Learning objective we came up with was scholars will be able to identify differences between monetary, non-monetary, and how changes in incentives can cause change in behavior through a diagram, blog journal, or mind map with a minimum of 6 examples. Level of Bloom applied is level 1, which is understand, and the co-teaching model we used was team teaching. So diving right in, I'm actually going to go to the section that I like the most, and that was exploration. So to be completely honest, when we were creating this, I didn't necessarily have a favorite area that I liked better than the other, but I want to say my favorite area was actually exploration. And I say this because not only did it feel a little natural, but kind of like my strong suit maybe, when we were doing the teaching in our DODL one-day lesson plan. But the students that we had, they were actually exploring, and we were using probing questions to get them to think and to get them to kind of guess at things. For example, let's see if I can find something in here. Alright, so we gave them a list of words that we entered into the chat box, and this was the list of words right here. And some of the questions I was asking was, alright, class, like, what do we think incentives mean or could mean? And I mean, they came out of their shells and they took a shot at it. And through that, we were asking if students agreed or disagreed and things of that nature in order to get them to use teamwork and also to get them critically thinking. And I thought that was neat to see them kind of jump out of their shells and to start getting those gears turning up in their heads. So that was why that was my favorite part of all. And then secondly, I actually did like engagement. Just the fact that it's kind of the first thing you're kind of jumping into. And it's kind of exciting. I mean, you have a group of students in front of you and they're ready to learn from you. They're there. The expectation is pretty much set. And I mean, all that's there is kind of introduction and getting their attention and getting them excited to learn, which is, I mean, so pretty much both of these parts is the excitement for me. That's why I like them both.